How to level up on Bigo Live. The more you go live, the more experience point you earn. Try to stream daily. Even short sessions help you climb faster. More likes, comments, and viewers means more experience points. Engage your audience, use fun topics, shout out, and filter to keep them watching and interacting. Virtual gifts from your viewers greatly boost your level. Encourage your friends to send gifts. Every gift counts toward their experience point. Join Bigo Live challenges, contests, and PK battle. These events often come with bonus experience point and can quickly raise your level. Add friends, join families, and collaborate with other streamers. Being active in the community helps your presence grow and so does your level. And that's how you level up on Bigo Live. Stream often, engage more, and shine brighter. If this helps, smash the like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.